Welcome back to Beyond 50 Skin. My name is Cindy. So glad to have you here. So today is Self-Care Sunday. If you don't know about Self-Care Sunday, this is a video I do every couple of weeks just to introduce you to some new products I'm using or just to share with you my latest skincare routine. So today I'm going to share a little quick Charlotte Tilbury haul. I'm probably the last person on the planet to get a little collection of Charlotte Tilbury, but she's had her massive sale. It's just ending and I picked up a few things and got a freebie. So if you're interested in a little bit of makeup and how I'm liking my Charlotte Tilbury haul, stay tuned. We're going to jump right into it. I'm throwing in a quick little summary of my eyebrow care. One of my subscribers asked me to talk quickly about what I use on my eyebrows, and I do use my Matapost on my eyebrows. It's off-label, and they asked me to throw in a before and an after. So I will pop those in at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And just as a reminder, I always love the Gimme Brow from Benefit to fill in the sparse spots, and also the Glossier Boy Brow, and to fill in this one little spot that I can't seem to get to grow no matter if I use a lash serum or not. So like I said, one of my subscribers asked me to pop in a before and after picture of before I started using by Matapost on my eyes and after. So I'm going to throw that in at the end of the video. So on to the Charlotte Tilbury haul. So today I'm going to share with you my Charlotte Tilbury haul. They just had their huge sale. I've never treated myself to any Charlotte Tilbury products. They seemed a bit outrageous, but I indulged. As you know, if you've been on my channel for any time, I don't really have a history of using makeup. I would throw on some foundation, go to work, and just kind of let it be. Occasionally a swipe of mascara, but I'm kind of like a kid in a candy shop now in my 50s, discovering makeup. So bear with me. This is my first Charlotte Tilbury haul, and I'm going to share with you what I picked up. So everyone has been raving about the Hollywood Flawless filter. It is a little glowy today. It is warm, but we're going to add some more glow and see how it goes. I picked up the shade 2.5 Fair. The second thing I picked up was the concealer, and that is in shade 3 Fair. And the last thing that was highly recommended by a friend was the Healthy Glow Unisex All Year Tinted Moisturizer. And this is one of those flex moisturizers, so I'm really excited about trying this. I love something that's just kind of a one-step moisturizer. And then I don't have any mascaras from her. I didn't pick one up, and I always just tend to go to my Benefits mascara or my Lash Sensational. So let's get going. I'm going to apply a little bit of the highlighter and use kind of a beauty blender to put this in my highlight spots. Like I said, I'm a little glowy already today, so this could go either way. I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender to tap this in. And like I said, I am not a hugely knowledgeable person about makeup. I'm just learning. So if you have any tips, of course, always leave them down below. But so far, I'm liking that. It's definitely adding a bit of glow. Now I'm not quite sure how I'm going to work in this moisturizer. I'm just going to kind of let that, you know what? Let me do my eye makeup first. And we'll let that sit so it kind of has a chance to sink in. I'm going to try the under eye concealer right in the corner. I've been experimenting with concealer. I have a video coming up next week regarding my tips and tricks, what I'm learning about concealer. And again, this is an easy breezy everyday look. And so I'm just gonna focus it on the red spots under my eye. I had a bear of a time getting my little red spot there. I had a bear of a time getting my contacts in today. And so my eyes are really red, irritated, and kind of angry with me. That's looking really pretty. It's like very glowy. All of her makeup is super glowy. I'm beaming like a headlight here. But I think that covered up the worst of it. I do have a bit of a smudge. I might bring this down just a little bit lower than I would normally, because between the lack of sleep and my contact yanking on my eyeballs to get these crazy contacts in. Oh my goodness. Okay, Now, I would typically use my Lash Sensational, which you know I love. If you've seen my lash video and brow videos, you know that I love this stuff. But you know what? This tends to dry out. It's a great drugstore makeup. It gives you va-va-va-boom lashes, but I'm going to use my Real Benefits because this is drying out like twice as fast as my Their Real Benefits brown mascara. And so I'm going to put this aside. I'm actually probably going to have to toss it. But you know, this is $7. This is more like 20 plus. It was recently on sale in the Benefits summer sale for like 18, and that's when I stock up. But they do tend to dry out, and definitely there must be some more alcohol content in the drugstore than the creamier version of Their Real Benefits. So that is kind of a problem, but let's get some mascara on here. You know me, 5 products, 5-minute makeup, and I'm done. I don't like to fuss around with it. I just like to get it on and done and get on with my day. Like I said, I am having fun discovering new kinds of makeup, but I really just don't have the patience to spend more than 5 minutes on it. Oops. So 5-minute makeup, and that includes all my corrections. So 5-minute makeup, fast and furious. I think I'm gonna have to go in with the corrector. I got a smudge. Do you guys do your corrector first or your mascara first? I can't remember what people recommend. Okay, that solved that. So I really love the Their Real mascara. It's really just an everyday look. It's creamy. It goes on really easily. I don't have to go back in with another spoolie and separate it out. I feel like I get enough of separation just with putting a couple coats, and I can zip on my way. Okay, as that sets down, we'll do the Pillow Talk. This was a freebie. It's a very pretty, pretty color. I'll show you. It's really, really pretty, and it's really subtle when it goes on. I've already been using this and I put it in my bag to take with me everywhere. It's really satiny, and it's just such a pretty shade. I think almost everybody could use this kind of a neutral, rosy shade. Very pretty. I really like that. Maybe a little bit more than I would naturally use on a no makeup day, but not bad. Okay, so let's try the Unisex Universal Tint. Now this comes out white. It's one, whoa, it's running. It's one of those flexing shades, and then it warms up and goes to your natural skin tone. And I'm just gonna pat it on and then use a beauty blender to kind of press it in. Ooh, that's giving a bit of a tan look. I haven't really played with this much. That might be a little bit dark for me. What do you guys think? I'm gonna have to contour with some blush. Okay, I don't know about this, guys. Maybe once I blend it in. It's a little bit dark, but it gives me a definite tanned look. This isn't my usual. I'm usually extremely pale, even in summer. I already have my sunscreen on, of course, before I started my makeup. But the beauty blender is taking down some of kind of the high beam light that I've got going on. That's good. Blend it up into the hairline. I don't know, guys, this little Charlotte haul is paying off. What do you think? I think it's great. It's like I said, it's on the pricier side for a little makeup collection, but I find that if you wait around, all the makeup and all the skincare eventually goes on sale. My motto is never buy anything full price because a sale will come around. And I try to pop up the sales on my Instagram account. If you haven't checked me out over on Instagram, go ahead and pop over there. It's beyond50skin.com. That's my blog, Beyond50Skin on Instagram. And I try to keep up on my stories with the latest skincare sales and makeup sales. So if you haven't checked me out, zip on over there and check it out. But so far, I'm really enjoying the very glossy, glowy look that Charlotte has just given me. So that wraps up this Self-Care Sunday 5-minute makeup with 5 products. I think we got it done. Quick review is the Charlotte Tilbury Unisex Moisturizer. Popped in my Benefits, they're real because I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury mascara. The Pillow Talk lipstick and the Flawless Filter, which really does give a really beautiful, healthy glow. And last but not least, her concealer. I really liked that. That gives a kind of a natural, just a quick, easy breezy look. So 5-minute makeup, only 5 products, and I got in a Charlotte Tilbury haul. Woohoo! You guys have a great self-care Sunday. Bye! So here are the before and after photos of my use of Bimatoprost/Latisse. I've used both over the last 5 or 6 years, and I haven't used them consistently, but when I do use it, I use it 3 to 4 days a week, and I really get some nice fill-in of my brow and plus a little bit of a darkening. I do have some tint on them, but that's pretty much worn off over the last 2 weeks. You can see how sparse my brows were and how nice and full they are when I use the Bimatoprost. I also wanted to share with you, as I sort of put in a little comment earlier, that the next morning after showing you my Charlotte Tilbury haul, I had a terrible case of contact dermatitis. And of course, that doesn't happen like because there's something wrong with the product. It's just there was something in my skin, or maybe just this week it just didn't agree with a particular ingredient. It looks like in the Hollywood Flawless filter and or the concealer, because the pattern of where the contact dermatitis is exactly where I placed those products. So I'm in the process of getting a refund, and I'll let you know how it turns out. But like I said, it's not the products, it's just the fact that my skin didn't agree. Just as a reminder, if you get a case of contact dermatitis, you want to make sure you stop using all your products until it's cleared up. Cool compresses can really help. Over-the-counter anti-itch creams are also helpful. I have had contact dermatitis many times in my past because I have really sensitive skin, so I have a couple of prescriptions on hand just in case I get a bout of it. My derm is aware of it, but if you don't have a derm and this doesn't go away in a couple days, I definitely encourage you to see a dermatologist. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Take good care. Thanks for watching. Bye.